This is the unboxing and assembly of Ariens S18 snowblower. Seems to be packaged pretty well. This unit is just under 50 pounds. Before I add the chute, I'm going to be putting some silicone grease lubricant around the base of the chute to help prevent it from freezing. There's only one way to put this cover on. They provide you a T27 bit. I have my own. You can also use a 3/8 inch socket. I'm using an impact here. You don't have to. You're going to need a 1/2 inch socket for this one. And here we are. It looks great. I use Rain-X inside the chute and inside the auger housing to prevent snow from sticking. I tried spraying it, but nothing's coming out. I flipped it up to help fill the oil. Looks like it's going to take the entire bottle it was shipped with. I believe the bottle is 11 ounces. And then we want to check and make sure the level is correct. And it's now ready for gas and first use. I'm going to take a look and see the belt and pulley assemblies. I'm just a bit curious. So everything looks okay, I guess, but the belt seems to be made of a low quality. I also noticed that the pulley doesn't spring back completely after the lever is released. So I put a little lubricant on the bolt that's holding the assembly. Made sure not to get any on the belt or the pulleys itself. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. I've added the maintenance schedule here as well. Take care.